temperatures in the 80s. So we're surrounded by at least the potential for thunderstorms in our hour-by-hour precipitation forecast. Storms early tomorrow out to the southeast around Terrell County, which received a lot of rain. And then we start to see the energy really develop throughout the day. It is going to be very isolated. Some of these storms may see the best chances for rain up north and then also again in the mountains in this forecast model. It's not handling it very well at all. So we're just going to have to trust that we will see our best chances of rain in the mountains and northern zones. We're talking Seminole, Andrews, Hobbs. Places like that will have the best chances. Lamesa, best chances for rain over the next several days. Humidity levels, again, staying high, even higher with some of the rain. No problem there. We love having the moisture. It keeps everything green for a little bit longer. Here's the wind direction. It's very light out of the south, whether it be southwest or just straight south or southeast. It's a southerly flow and not much gust in the wind category here. We've got 24-mile-per-hour gusts around the mountains. Alpine did see a 36-mile-per-hour gust, and that was mainly due to the thunderstorm that rolled through. Almanac did take us into the 80s today, almost 90 degrees, but look at the morning low, 65, very close to the average of 63. 88 is our average high, so we're getting back to where we should be this time of the year, but records still stand pretty high. 102, 1930 is when that happened. Here's temperatures now. 87 in Fort Stockton. There's the 60s I was talking about. It's actually warmed up 2 degrees once the storms moved through. They were at 66 just an hour ago in Alpine. 85 in Seminole, 87 in Snyder. We got 89 in Big Spring. So very warm numbers for now, but this is, again, cooler than what we saw yesterday. All right, let's divide this map up and show you what's going on overnight. Central and northern basin will start out in the 60s for most locations. And the good news is that this is going to be the pattern for the next several days. Everybody starting out with that morning coffee weather outside. 82, though, in Seminole for high, 87 in Andrews. So as you head south, temperatures will get a little bit warmer. Here are the 60s for the central basin, too. A little closer to 70 degrees in Crane, right at 70 in Grand Falls, and then daytime highs in the upper 80s. We'll see 90-degree readings in Barstow and also around the Grand Falls neighborhood. And the Trans-Pecos, 60s there, 70 degrees in Dryden, 67 Fort Stockton, and 67 at Red Bluff. 88 in Red Bluff tomorrow, Pecos at 90, Fort Stockton at 88, and we'll see some upper 80s in Sanderson. The mountains in the 50s in the morning, 62 in Alpine, 71 in Presidio. Presidio is going to be one of the hot spots with 93 for a high. We'll see some upper 70s in Fort Davis. Still keeping a good chance for rain in the forecast for the weekend. At least our best chance will be for the weekend. Thursday, we go from 20% tomorrow to 40% Thursday, 50% Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we start to see a tapering off of the rain Monday, especially on Tuesday. But temperatures will be really nice this weekend. It's just going to be wet in a number of locations, so get ready.
If you're saying 93 is the hot spot and that 7-day had no 90s, we're in good shape.
We're in very good shape because usually the hot spot is at 100 or above, so right. They're even getting some good weather.
We'll take it.
Okay.
Thanks, Horace.